episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Dr. Ross and I just had the pleasure of witnessing 3 films. Brad Pitt's Bullet Train, the new film Hallelujah, the documentary, and Joe Coy's new film, Easter Sunday. Now, out of those 3, the best one is Hallelujah. It's a spectacular film all around, and if you haven't seen it, it's a must-see. But what are your thoughts on it, Dr. Ross?
Hallelujah was fantastic. It's based off of the song Hallelujah from the movie Shrek. But for our next movie that we watch, like IK was saying, the Joe Coy, he definitely needs a second job other than his day job, which is definitely acting. He needs a second job. The movie could have been better, but
it could have. The movie was flat. There wasn't a lot of substance to it, but some people like it, some people hate it. It's your choice and you'll have to see it. And with Brad Pitt's film, there should have been a better director. It's a thumbs down for me. I just didn't enjoy how they put another character in and completely diverged the storyline.
Exactly.
But what are your thoughts on Dr. Ross?
I thought we didn't really get to finish all of it because we went to walk out because it was just too messy, but that's all we have to say. Let's get into our hot topics.
So the first one is with Kim Kardashian and Pissy Pete. So we all saw this coming, but they have allegedly split. And Dr. Ross, with Kim's daughter walking around the house with the beady eyes, the glasses on,
True.
always going to Pissy Pete, you know that she was saying every day across the corner, Pete, go. Then the second Kim comes around, oh, we love you, Pete.
Basically just terrifying him out.
Yes, Pete was destined to go. But still, Dr. Ross, Kanye's been sitting in the weeds, and allegedly, Kanye might get back with Kim.
Exactly, but we don't really know. He's just been lurking around as he usually does, and Kim, I think she's tired of Kanye. I think she's trying to move on to bigger and better things.
I still wouldn't put it behind Kim. But let's get into our next hot topic with the She's Hot contest.
That's right.
So our winner for this week is none other than the one who was hot before and the one who is still hot now, Miss Marilyn Monroe.
Congratulations, Miss Marilyn Monroe, on your win on the She's Hot contest. Bombshell.
Exactly. They were selling her photos back then, and they're still selling them now. Kim even tried to wear her dress, but Kim didn't fit in it.
They had to cut the back out and sew it together.
Either way, Marilyn Monroe is an icon. Congratulations on your win.
Congratulations. And the personals is still being filmed, so we can update you guys on that. Films are still being filmed. If you are an actor or a part of crew, contact us at roseingold.us@gmail.com or on our Instagram, roseingold.us, to be a part of the project. I'm creating opportunities and jobs. Let's make Texas the next base for the next Hollywood.
Facts. But these were all of our hot topics, and we've got places to be since Dr. Ross and I are going to be out of town soon in Austin, Oklahoma, LA, Atlanta. We're going to be traveling all over.
Doing big jobs. And if you haven't seen IK's commercial for Apex Legends Mobile, go download the game now and play with all your friends.
We'll see you on the next episode. We're out. That's you, Kylie Jenner.